Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind on the road, the 4-channel 360 dash cam with 1080p resolution, GPS, and night vision capabilities. You can find the link to the product in the description below, so be sure to check that for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 4-channel 360 dash cam? This advanced dash cam is designed to provide all-around coverage for your vehicle. It features 4 separate channels that record the front, rear, and sides of your car, as well as the interior. This makes it an essential tool for capturing crucial evidence in the event of accidents, sideswipes, or any incidents involving passengers. Whether you're a daily commuter or a rideshare driver, this dash cam is built to keep you safe and informed. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this device. First up is the impressive 1080p HD video quality paired with wide dynamic range, or WDR technology. This combination ensures that your recordings are crystal clear, even in low-light conditions. The Starlight sensor enhances visibility at night, allowing for clear capture of license plates and road details. Plus, with 4 built-in infrared LEDs, you can record inside your vehicle in complete darkness, making it ideal for rideshare drivers who want to keep an eye on passenger interactions. Another fantastic feature is the built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, which allows you to control the dash cam through a dedicated app. This means you can preview all 4 video streams in real time, adjust settings, and even download and share accident footage instantly, all without needing to remove the SD card or connect to a computer. It's all about making the operation simple and efficient. For those of you concerned about security, this dash cam is reliable around the clock. It supports 24-hour parking monitoring, which means it can keep an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. The G sensor detects collisions and automatically saves important clips, while loop recording ensures you never run out of space. This device operates effectively in a wide range of temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various driving conditions. So, who is this dash cam suitable for? It's a perfect choice for everyday drivers, rideshare professionals, and anyone needing added security while on the road. Whether you're worried about a hit-and-run incident or simply want to have a record of your journeys, this dash cam has you covered. In practical terms, imagine you're driving home late at night, and you encounter a sudden incident. With this dash cam, you'll have clear video evidence to support your side of the story. Or, if you're a rideshare driver, you can monitor interactions with passengers to ensure safety and accountability. Overall, the 4-channel 360 dash cam is an impressive device that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it a must-have for any driver looking to enhance their road safety. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.